All right, no intro, no outro, straight fire. All I got to see is 2:03 in the morning. I can't sleep, so I decided to just make my weekly outlook video for this week. Starting off with the DXY. Again, as you know, I've only been trading Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and then whatever pending orders I have set for my Thursdays. And usually just let right out to Friday. So that's my trading window. So first things first, since I trade the major pair, looking at the DXY, let me get my paintbrush so I can show you what's going on here. Ooh, I already know some of my trades already don't left me just based off of the DXY. So DXY, clear Monday highs. So ideally looking for sells for UCAD, UCHF, UJ, and then looking for buys for AU, EU, GU, and NU. So let's just see how that works and just volume distribution. So let me turn on my volume and we going at it. All right. Um, Volume for DXY was very balanced, as you can see right here. D profile shape. So with the balanced profile, you're waiting for price to come to a low volume node at top or a low volume node at the bottom before taking off in its intended direction. So going with AU, AUD, USD, again, balanced volume profile. Price took out Monday lows. This is a plus setup for me. So ideally, looking for buys. However, looking for where exactly I'm going to buy at. Let me extend POC. I probably missed my initial move for real, slick. But, yep. Excuse me, I just snorted. But, yep, right here. Boom. This would have been an ideal place to enter for buys. Got some really nice rejections. So being the fact that I missed this first initial push and the DXY legit just confirmed it, I'm going to have to wait for a solid confirmation. And a confirmation, again, is a close above the POC. All right. So, because I missed this trade or missed this initial push, again, just waiting for a close above the POC. It is what it is. You win some, you lose some. EUR USD, again, looking for buys. And I don't like going too far back, because if I have to go too far back, then it is what it is. So again, looking for a close above POC with my targets, Monday's highs, and then Friday's POC. So we'll get this close above or below, probably, well, at close of the market. So this is staying on my watch list. AU staying on my watch list. EU staying on my watch list. Also, to talk in terms of volume distribution, price close at a B profile. So it is seeking low volume nodes, which is above the B profile. So I like to look for some type of liquidity grab into that low volume node. Again, just price distribution. I tell people, if you don't know about volume profile, like, it's one of those things where you want to learn about price distribution, because you'll be surprised of how price really moves when you have everything stripped away from it, right? Great British Pound USD, again, looking for buys. Price close, somewhat of a P profile. Price is attacking low volume nodes, so it hit the POC and it went right to the low volume node. But again, because of the DXY, I'm looking for buys because the DXY tank. If I extend this, and again, I don't like going back so far, right? POC looking kind of shaky, didn't have one before. So what we're doing is just waiting for a close above this price POC, and we're aiming for Monday's highs, and then the POC above, and then this POC above. So this is staying on my watch list. Excuse me. NZD USD, same thing. Want price, come back. Price started off, opened up in low volume nodes. I want price to reverse back, go to high volume nodes. So again, let me scroll, see where it hit. Price hit right here. If I would have entered in right there, I would have got liquidated. This is why it's good for confirmation. So yeah, the AU trade looked very, very cool, and it like hit. Look at how these candles close. Not really strong rejections. You know, price kind of came through the POC. So again, for me, looking for a close above the POC with hopes of price using Monday's POC as a target, Monday's highs as a target, and let's see if there's anything above that. Yep. Last Thursday's POC. So keeping that on my watch list. USD CAD, it's very balanced. Very balanced, excuse me, or not balanced, excuse me. It is really, price is really within this area of the profile. This probably honestly ain't gonna move until New York session. And being the fact that the DXY sold, I'm gonna be very honest, I won't be surprised if price and then came down. But again, we got to trade what we see and not what we think. So good confirmation, close below the POC with some type of liquidity grab. So UCAD staying on the watch list. USD CHF, again, high volumes right here. Price took out liquidity at top, low volume nodes. So I already know price is hunting Monday's POC with potential of getting even lower and going to last week Friday's POC. So again, this is looking real nice for me. Just waiting for close below. I don't like entering in on developing profiles because it shifts a lot. And as you can see, it's 2:11 in the morning. Like, it's still trying to figure itself out. And then last but not least, USD JPY. Yeah, I'm taking this on my watch list off rip because price already did what it needed to do. Consolidated, took out liquidity up top, and then dropped. This is an A+ setup, but it just happened when I was asleep. Yeah, Monday 8:30, and then take profit or drop 12, and I can almost guarantee you it's coming for down here. So I am taking that off my watch list because it already happened, and there's no point in harping on, what's not valid. So this came off my watch list. So right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs on my watch list. So to run it down one more time, AUD USD looking for buys. And again, this was just early entry. I don't like taking those because it's not guaranteed. EUR USD looking for buys. Great British Pound USD looking for buys. NZD USD looking for buys. USD CAD still waiting for price to figure it out, but ideally based off of the DXY, I'm looking for sales. USD CHF looking for sales. All right, so no intro, no outro, straight fire. And yeah, that's how we getting it. So happy trading for the remainder of the week.